Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My dear friends, I am back here with my Hot Wheels showcase and this is our pack for today review and unboxing. This is Hot Wheels pack of 3 with some cool cards. Here's the back side of the pack. This is not identical pack. So our cards are ready for review and unboxing on the showtime. Guys, here is the first one from the pack. This is Carbonic, designed by Mr. Fraser Campbell. Casting was first time came in 2014. This is the fourth release, multi-pack exclusive. Nice finishing, lovely color. These are trap 5 ways with the white chrome, plastic top and metal base. A clean interior with some cool details, and this is metal base, pretty cool. Front side and the rear side. Lovely color scheme, matte black and red and green. Cool combination of the colors in this baby. Dear friends, here we have number 2 from the pack, prototype H-24. This pretty concept is inspired by Lehman's racing cars, designed by Mr. Fraser Campbell for the Hot Wheels. The first release was given in 2008, and this pretty baby is a multi-pack exclusive from last year 2019. Open hole 5-spoke wheels, lovely color scheme, cool finishings, blue tinted windows, nice tempos and the cool logos, 24H and the Hot Wheels. The other side, and we have the white base, a perfect beauty, a lovely concept. The rear side, dear friends, now we have beauty of the day, last one from the pack, Hudson Hornet. This pretty car, the first time came in 2012 and designed by Mr. Phil Realman. A lovely car with the cool finishings, black color and nice tempos. Chromey base, 5-spoke wheels. Here's a closer view. D. Watson 28. A lovely flame job, Hot Wheels logo. The other side, black interior is looking cool with the clear windows. The chromey base. Dear friends, that's all for today. I hope you will like the pack. Please comment below your findings, your feedback. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care. Bye bye.